What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a wig tutorial, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this $25 wig and put it in install as well. So I'm showing y'all how I installed it as well. And if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up, girl? So yep, if you are interested in this wig tutorial, please stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so these are the things you are going to need. This is a wig cap. These are bobby pins. I'm going to use the small ones and the big ones, but you can use wig clips or sew your wig around the perimeter with needle and thread. That's optional. This is the hair here. It's model. It comes with two 22 inches, two 20 inches, two 18s, and it also does have a closure included. This is the blowout texture straight Peruvian hair. And this hair was $24.99. I am going to put some links in the description box so you guys can order the hair online if you are interested in this hair. And you are also going to need scissors and hair glue. So first, before I even get started, I want to show y'all the hair. This is what the hair looks like. The blowout Peruvian texture. It looks beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm putting my wig cap on top of my mannequin head or wig head, whatever you want to call it. And then first, I'm going to measure out each track, and then I'm going to cut it, put glue down the track, and then I'm going to secure it. And if you get glue on your hands, you can just literally rub your hands and all the glue comes off just like that. So I'm going to shut up now so you guys can go ahead and watch the tutorial. So right here, I'm just taking bobby pins and I'm just securing the wig down to my head. I braided my own hair, so I didn't want to use the I usually use the needle and thread and secure it around, but I'm not a very good braider, so this is just something temporary. um, so I'm using two big bobby, well, I'm using little bobby pins here actually still to secure down my wig, and I'm using two big ones in the back to secure the wig. So yep, and this is to show you guys that the wig is on and it is secure. It's going nowhere. So this is how it looks installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix it, comb it out, and then I'm going to flat iron it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished result. So all I did was flat. I'm sorry if you hear my baby in the background. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so this is the finished result. This this hair, I am gonna do a 2-week review on this hair. So all I did was like flat iron it, and then I tried to lay my little baby hairs down. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.